recording. All right, me and Jeremy's out today on the Ohio River. The weather's kind of chilly and rainy. We've had a front come in, so hopefully, Jeremy says hopefully that doesn't slow the fishing down too bad, but we've got good fresh bait. So, what do you think, Jeremy? You got any thoughts on this day?
The river's been up. It went to over 50 feet. It dropped back down. We're about half that today, but we're sitting right downstream from a lake that gets backfed by the river. And I'm hoping we're gonna pick some of these fish off that kind of wandered up into that lake when the river got up. And now that it's back down, they found their way back down to the river. I'm hoping that we're gonna find some, sitting on some structure here just downstream of that lake. We're gonna find out.
Perfect. And we got skipjack today?
Skipjack.
Yep, we're using fresh skipjack today, so get some lines put out. Let's see what happens. All right, I want to show y'all what we're doing today. We're sitting at 22 foot. Hopefully that glare ain't on the screen. And water temperature 64 degrees is what it says on this. But we're fishing this I went blank. I went blank, Jeremy. What is this we're fishing? What is this right here?
This is a little cutback on the bank from the main river channel. We're downstream of a lake that feeds into the river. We're just trying to pick off some fish that may be coming and going from that lake. The river's been up. We're fishing some structure just right downstream of that lake.
And we're sitting on a
there's structure all up and down this bank. I marked some fish coming through here a while ago. We're just trying to see if we can pull anything out of that structure. We got fresh skipjack. We got some chunks out. We got a couple heads. We've got a couple bites already. They look like babies.
little dink taps.
But we'll see what happens.
Yeah, this ought to be an interesting first video because I usually just run out of stuff to say. So that's why Jeremy's, he offered to take me out fishing today. So that's what we're doing.
You see the bite there?
So
we got rod number 3 left to right. Getting a bite. Get him, Jerry. He's there. He's there, buddy. Oh, Jerry's hooked up. Ain't no skunk in this boat.
nope, hooked up. Pretty strong. Oh yeah, it's a body section. Look at this camera. We just put the camera up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hooked up. This is on a body chunk.
Nice little fat channel cat.
All right.
That's the thing 590's made of, Jerry.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't no baby channel.
All right. Easy.
Pliers.
Open your mouth. There he is. There it is.
Get him on camera.
There he is. Fat little old Chan, old Chanel. Old Chanel we got. Got out a small body chunk. Jump on the live well.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's healthy little fish. Your Chan with a big old belly on him. Heck yeah. Skunks out of the boat. Yeah, caught that one on a small body chunk. We'll get this fixed and get her back out there. See if we can't grab another one.
Something going on. I noticed that last
Rainy, rainy day. I figured the fishing would be a little slow because we got a cold front come in, and temperature dropped a lot. So we'll just keep plugging away and see what we can do. I want to show you the setups we're using. I've got a Whisker Seeker, triple threat, 10-aught, some beads, a little rattle, float rattle, 80-pound mono for my I think that's 80-pound, and I got 50-pound mono for my main line. These are the Rippin Super Cats, 7-foot, medium heavy, fast action. Got that paired up with a Akuma 30. Pretty good reel. It's a good reel for the money, especially if you're just getting into fishing. That'd be a good thing to buy for a starter reel. And this one's just a little different. Same hook. Got a Demon Dragon rattle on it. This one's got braid. This is the Piscifun Chaos 60. It's another reel that's pretty good reel for the price range it's at. And I've got that paired up on. I'm trying these rods out. These are the Academy H2O X Angler. I think I only paid like 20 bucks for these on sale. I'm just trying them out, see what they're like. If they work out, then that'd be another rod that's pretty good to buy for, you know, starters. Gordon?
Yeah.
We gotta go. Yeah, I think we got a good one on.
A little bigger than the channel cat, huh?
Oh yeah. When I bend in that pole, it's got a little weight to it. I'll probably say 20s maybe.
That's what we come for. would come for something 35 inches or bigger. This is a trophy cat outfit, not a channel cat outfit.
Yeah, he felt like he was a lot bigger whenever he first hit, because I couldn't.
He may be swimming at the boat.
It was just dead weight. I mean, it was just dead weight.
He's slime. Look at that slime. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's almost 20, I'd say. Good fish, buddy.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good fish. Oh,
There we go.
that's a good one. Yeah, we got a good one. All right. All right. Yeah, we got caught that one where a creek channel comes in. We're right at the edge of that, catching them fish going in and out. And it wasn't probably 2 minutes we've had our lines out where he got that one.
I like it when a plan comes together.
Oh yeah. Ow. Get the hell out of it. Let's see that grips. Get down. Pretty good.
You want to use your scale?
Yes. Let me see how much it weighs. Easy, 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 easy. Slave it. There we go. It'll be alright then in his mouth, right? Yeah, yeah, we'll scale this and see how much he weighs. I think he's probably 20.
I'm going to say 22.
Say 22? Let's say about 20. Ready.
$22.
Oh dang, you're right on him.
More than that.
How much was it? 22?
22.
Ain't bad, ain't bad. Ain't bad.
Hello?
Bear with me, I'm taking a picture of a fish.
Oh, you still fishing?
I'm still fishing. I'm hardcore, dude.
Well, I seen Russell pull out Taco Bell.
Yeah,
I didn't know.
he's weak like water. Pump it up more. There you go. Oh, more.
You down below the dam?
There you go. No, fish in the mouth of Hovey.
There it is.
Give me a call when you get off. I ain't gonna bother you.
22 pound blue.
You ain't bothering us.
I said we caught on the
22.
edge of this creek mouth right here. We're sitting in about 18 foot of water. Caught him on a body chunk.
Also,
It's pretty solid fish.
Wet and windy.
Pretty solid fish. We're getting back healthy.
Don't think I didn't rub that in either.
Did you go down and try and catch these skids?
No, I wasn't going down there with the overcast and the rain. I had 10 fresh skips, actually probably 13 or 14 because he gave me a few extra.
We'll bait up and try it again, see if we can't catch another one. Well, it was a tough day fishing. I mean, we caught some fish. Cold front coming through, the rain didn't help it out any, slowed the bite down. We got quite a few little taps, but they just real finicky, just didn't want to eat. And that's probably due to the cold front and all the rain that came in. But other than that, we had a pretty good day.
Went home with dinner.
Yeah, we've got dinner. I saved a couple of them channel cats, the old Chanels. Cut them up when we get home. And I want to thank Jeremy here for hooking me up, calling me to go hunting.
brother.
I mean, go hunting, go fishing, hunting for fish, I guess you could say. But yeah, appreciate it, and we'll come back out and do it again.
Absolutely.